It appears that this COVID virus has shattered the schedule of playing and practicing of our youngsters. But this virus has given me a lot of nostalgic memory when I started playing on a dining table. And today also I am practicing playing with my children on the dining table. I am very happy that the players, especially in table tennis and badminton, they are practicing at home. Their enthusiasm is really great. They should do a lot of shadow practice, at least 2000 skipping, for them to become lighter and fitter. Speed is important in this game. We also should do our introspection, the government and associations, how the sports can come up. There are very few sports like badminton, table tennis. The players have come to national standard, table tennis players have come to even international standard. Sports Authority of Goa basically is there for excellence in sports. But unfortunately, the higher-ups don't understand this. Even suggestions put by Sports Authority of Goa for proper training and proper infrastructure are just brushed aside.